Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplicity Reimagined. So as one of my 2019 New Year's resolutions, I've decided to rebrand this channel where I focus on more sit-down videos. These types of videos will discuss a variety of topics where I either inform or introduce you all to new concepts. The main concept I shall be stressing upon is minimalism, and I discovered minimalism about a year ago and I found many benefits. I was inspired by the minimalists, Joshua Fields Milburn and Ryan Nicodemus. They have created several interesting books, hundreds of online essays throughout their website, hours of entertainment on their podcast, an eye-opening documentary, and of course, a YouTube channel. They are found on various platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, Spotify, and so forth. I am in no way sponsored by them, and I just want to spread their message of living more intentionally. In the future, I will be providing many series regarding minimalism. I am so excited to bring you this fresh content that will hopefully positively impact your life and perhaps give a new meaning to it as well. I have chosen this year as a perfect threshold to really ignite this campaign of less is of more value.